Hey, how's it going? Roby here. Welcome back to the channel. Today on wrist, I have the Longines Spirit Zulu Time 1925. It doesn't have a whole lot to do with what we're going to be discussing here today, but I did wear it on a recent trip to Stockholm, Sweden. While we were there, Caroline and I had the opportunity to visit Kaplans Auction House. And while we were there, we also had the chance to video and photograph much of the collection that they're curating for the upcoming Important Watches auction on November 15th. If you want a detailed account of that trip and of the watches that they're actually auctioning, you can head over to the website. We've even begun to roll out some of the photography on our Instagram account. Today, we're just here to show you a little bit of eye candy, so you can check out firsthand what's coming up on November 15th. Let's just take a closer look. I'm not sure what we expected when we arrived at Kaplans, but what we got was part boutique, part viewing gallery, and a full complement of appraisers working with determination to prepare for the November 15th Important Watches auction. The staff were friendly, the environment welcoming. Behind and beneath the glass cabinetry and cases were items of fashion, jewelry, and of course, watches. This year, the November auction is full of Rolex, Datejust, Day Dates, Deep Seas, Daytonas, GMT Master 2s, Sea Dwellers, and Submariners. But there are also stunning examples from Audemars Piguet, Blancpain, Breitling, Cartier, Longines, Omega, Patek Philippe, and Vacheron Constantin, as well as a few hidden gems from brands like La Magna, Minerva, and Titus. Kaplans and the heart of Stockholm, heritage and horology intersect. It's been around since 1946, but its role in the watch world has steadily expanded, culminating in its prestigious Important Watches sales held each May and November. We had the chance to view and handle the watches, which ranged in estimated value from $2,000 to well over $100,000 for a particularly bejeweled AP Royal Oak frosted.